I accidentally pressed.
No hesitation. We strike with speed and silence.
Oh wait, it's on your cam. How do I make it go off of yours?
There's arrows you can press. You're on auto cycle?
How do I do auto cycle? Oh, yeah, I think so, yeah. Okay, there. Yeah, I put it on auto cycle now. Where are you?
I'm already over here.
Oh, I see you. Do they surrender?
No, I don't put anything. Okay, ready? Flash them. Oh shoot, I forgot wire cutters.
Oh, crap.
Wait for me, don't go
Okay,
in
I'm gonna
there.
flash them, though. Ready? I have flash ready. Where should I throw it?
Don't go in there.
I know I'm not.
And don't go near the bomb. I just found out it's motion detected.
So how do you defuse it?
You have to get out of the detection of the bomb. Alright. I'll flash them.
Did you get wire cutters
If
this
they're
time?
anywhere. Yeah. Okay, go.
There's always a guy over here or something. Confirmed kill. You're right there. What gun are you using? I don't see him. Right there.
Okay, let's go up here.
Wait, let's clear this room.
No, let's go up the room. That's not room. Ready?
No.
Okay.
Okay, do I tap your back? Oh no.
No. Alright, this room now. Ready?
No.
Bitchy. Bomb will be over here.
Crap.
I think the bomb's gonna be over here. In this room. Is that
Yeah.
you?
Wait. I'm gonna confirm the kill.
Wait, no.
Okay, I have a breaching gun.
But you might shoot the.
Oh, it didn't work. Watch out.
Okay, I think that's not good. Oh gosh, Josiah. Do you have heal? Check for my heal on the ground. Check for my heal on the ground. It should be on the ground somewhere. You grab
No.
it? Look
It
for
doesn't
it.
show up for me. It only shows up for you. It disappears now. Right when you die. What?
Did you die or are you just down?
I'm downed. You have to use one of your heals on me.
I can't make it in time.
It's 10 more seconds, so yeah. Can't make it. I'll equip heals, so if you die, I can help you. I'll equip. What should I equip? Heals and a 9-banger.
Yeah, heal on 9.
Okay. And then a breaching gun on the back. Mm-hmm. I think so. I'm pretty sure. I heard that. Okay. Are you in that room? Still? Yeah, I know. I'm upstairs too. Okay, I see what
Are you kidding me?
you died. I see you. Here, I got it. I got it. I got it. Watch out.
Okay, you could shoot someone if you want.
Should we climb up this vent?
I am.
I'm gonna follow. Night vision on.
I can't get up here.
You have to go up. I think you have to crouch IRL or something. How did you get up? There. I saw one over there behind this big pillar.
I know. Let's go over there.
I'm gonna throw a 9 ring.
No,
Yes.
no, it's okay. Just shoot him. No, he's dead. Guy right out here. Oh, shoot! Where's the guy behind you?
Hmm?
There's a guy legitimately behind you. Alright, you gotta clear these rooms down here.
Okay, wait for me. Okay.
You know what? Watch this.
No one's in there. Oh, there was. Okay, ready? Jack?
Yeah. Let me in. No one in.
You sure?
Alright, Josiah. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, now this one.
Okay, I'll go in first. Cleared.
Alright.
This
Now,
one.
now we have to go downstairs because that's where the bomb would be. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I killed him.
I completely missed that shot. It's in this room.
Oh wait, it actually...
Dang it, it's in your cam.
Oh, mine's on your camera too.
How do I make it to where it does not go on yours?
Alright, come on. You gotta press those arrows.
I know, but that's... What if we're in a fight and it's on you? Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ag. Alright, we're clear. I already know there's not gonna be anyone down here. There's no there's. There could be guys sneaking back into this room. That happens a lot. Do this.
The bomb is downstairs. That's what we know. Remember, it has a radius, and if we get into that radius, we'll detonate. I did it right. Did you see how good that was, bro? That was actually so Sigma. Okay, ready?
Are you kidding me? You died too, bro?
I ran into the wall.
How do you die to that?
How did you die to that?
Because I had no more ammo. Are you behind me?
Mm-hmm. Okay, wait for me. I was doing something with my camera.
There's two guys in here. I think. No, there's not.
Okay, ready? Oh my.
Alright, no one's in here. There's no one really in there.
Okay, let's go to these jacks. Look.
There's fire.
Oh.
Reach it. Go around each way. You go down that way, I go down this way. We need each other out that way. Alright, now this way. Okay. Don't go in there yet.
There's a room. Ready?
Yeah. Go. Break it.
Wait.
Hurry! Okay, okay. Oh gosh.
You set
What
it
color
off.
does this one? No, I didn't.
Primary objective complete. Confirm your secondary objectives in RTV.
Finished.
Marking
Okay, what do we
extraction
have to
site
do
with
now?
red smoke.
What do we have to do?
Oh, we got X, Bill. Come on, let's go back out.
Okay.
I heard someone. But don't matter right now. We need to get out of here. And quick.
Got him.
I got him.
We both got him.
There's a guy down there with the shotgun.
Come over here somewhere.
No, out here, outside. Hurry. Come on.
Extraction's en
Okay, we're
route.
actually-
Keep those
Hot,
guns
hot,
up.
stop.
We have eyes on multiple enemies headed your way.
Okay. I'll get this side, just like you get the Mag. Wait a minute. Shia. Shia, it's your job to get that.
Your helos entered the AO. ETA 1 mic.
Oh gosh, it's fast. I'm down. I'm down. You have
Yes,
a health
I
shot?
don't know where he is. Where is he? I know I got him. I'm down. You could revive me. There's a guy going on the side.
ETA 30 seconds.
There's a whole bunch of people coming towards me.
What's my mag? Mag!
I can't! I can't!
Down!
Ah!